Yeah. That in the distance isn't clouds. It's dust. Gosh, my video sucks. Oh, there we go.
Otherwise known as the devil's bad breath.
Is that what they call it?
No, I just made that
Oh,
up.
okay.
Yeah.
Dude, oh my gosh. Okay, when you look at the rainbow.
All right, that's God trying to give him some breath freshener.
Some Bianca? What's
Yeah, Bianca.
Banaka?
Banaka, there you go. That's a breath strip of
Oh.
rainbow right there.
Oh my gosh. Dude, the freaking those dogs
Okay.
would have been tortured in that.
And I just beheld a pale horseman.
Look at that. And this whole left side of the house, it's all dust. You can't even see the clouds right now. It's so high.
This dust storm just took geometry and cubed itself all around us.